Okay, so part 4, Luke. Okay, once again, Luke's energy field to 10 to 20 to 30 to 40 to 50 to 60 to 70 to 80 to 90, 100. Beautiful. Okay, so I just want to check once again in the gut. We'll go into biofilm and mucoid plaque. Okay, so 2 out of 5 of the immune pathways. So biofilm can hold all sorts of toxins. And in underneath it, it can harbour things like the candida and fungal and that sort of thing, and SIBO. Okay, speaking of which, let's ask about SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. Okay, once again, 2 out of 5 immune pathways. And you know, a lot of toxins can build up in that biofilm as well. So when they've done studies and taken some of the biofilm, there's sort of all sorts of stuff in it, and it totally depends on the human as to what toxins, because we're all different human beings. Okay, SIBO, SIFO, candida, parasites. Okay, so in relation to any and all emotional gear messing with the tummy. Not through there. Celestial circuit. Okay. So the masculine side, so third, second, first, second stage stress. So second stage stress on the right side of the body. So trying to stay centered and grounded, and that is the perfect combination of that masculine feminine energy, which is about caring, doing, being, you know, so it's hard for us to get that balance. Okay, best technique. Okay, so let's see whether we're back in center. No, not quite. Third, second, first stage stress. Yes, our oscillation chakra essence. So bark, bush, box 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the flower essence is yellow cowslip orchid. Feels like a good thing to finish off with. Okay, I am now releasing all judgment and criticism. I am now releasing all judgment and criticism. I am now releasing all judgment and criticism. Okay, so there's a pain and punishment circuit. How many drops do we need? 7. Release all judgment and criticism. I am now able to see the forest and the trees. Okay. I am now able to see the forest and the trees. I am now able to see the forest and the trees. I am now able to see the forest and the trees. Okay, so that inability to see your way out of something, that's sort of messing with the stomach energy. Now able to see the forest and the trees. Small intestine, interesting. Okay, so the quadricep energy increases stomach, small intestine energy. The boomerang underneath the rib cage increases small intestine energy. Amygdala. Okay, escape, submission, freeze, wanting to run away. Okay. Oh, pancreas, okay. So pancreas is about blood sugar. When our blood sugar's out of whack, we're more likely to be more emotional. You know, the whole hangry. You don't seem like a hangry guy though. But that pancreatic meridian. So yeah, that energy is affecting a few of your digestive organs. Interesting. Okay, there you go, Luke. Hope you feel a bit calmer and more easy after that, and I hope next time I see you in the flesh. Take care. See you later.